Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Here we are going into tutorial number 3 of the one and done with the Passion Fleur quad. So I went ahead and did Nocturnal Plum, Nocturne Plum, and Rose Fire Glow. Jesus. Rose Fire Glow. And I think today I want to do Sienna Moonlight. We'll go into this and I'll leave this for last because I actually would love to use this as a highlighter. We'll see. And I think today I will also be going into maybe possibly for the blush, Bloom, maybe. Or I might be using these, maybe. We shall see. And I will be using the bronzers because I finally got the bronzers and the lighting is like on and off right now because it's about to rain. So let's get into this tutorial. Let me prep my eyes and we will get into it. Okay, so the eyes are prepped with Fenty Beauty Pro Filter eyeshadow primer. I still want to say flawless foundation, but it's still going strong. I'm trying to think. I'm gonna just use it all over the eyelids mainly. This is be a pretty simple tutorial. So, without any further ado, let's go into Sienna Moonlight, which is almost like it's like a cool tone, taupey beige type of thing going on, which I love. But it has like reflex and hints of purple. I mean, not purple, pink. Which is gorgeous. Oh, and then just bring it up into the brow bone. Whatever's left. Perfect. I might use this as a highlighter. Maybe. And with this, I got my fan, so if you hear that, that's what's going on in the background. I think this is such a beautiful, I don't know. Pat's got some kind of magic going on with her formulation and coloring in her theory, color theory, how she brings things together. Her color stories is just immaculate. But I think I'm gonna go in with a black eyeshadow or do a really nice beautiful wing. But this is what this looks like. Oh, so beautiful. So yeah, that's that. Let me go do a wing liner real quick and then we will continue with this tutorial. Like this is just beautiful. You could do the, oh, it's starting to rain. I mean, you could do the bronzer in the, you know what? You know what? I'm gonna go in with the Bronze Goddess from Estee because I think I might use that as bronzer today. I do have the Pat McGrath ones, but here we go. Just to add a little bit depth to the crease. It's still one and done. Not really, but it's still one eyeshadow until I bring in the liner. And this is so beautiful. Yeah, you can tell like the clouds just rolled in right now. Always gotta make sure that they are looking like twins. Little product placement. Bam. Zabam. And this adds just enough of a hint of something going on in the crease, which is beautiful. All right, let me go do a liner and then we will continue. If you can't tell, it's raining. And it's raining pretty hard. So this is where we are at. I put some eyeshadow up there because I kind of messed up. I hope they look like twins when I take off the tape. But as long as they look related, that's all that matters. Dark Star Mascara still going strong. And I have to admit though, for this being a mini, this has been lasting me through a lot of looks lately. For me personally, I do love using more mini mascaras when I start to do a lot of videos, just because I'm not going to go through one full one like within a month or so. But for the most part, it is what it is. So, okay, it's cute. That is really cute, actually. Oh, and I went ahead and used the extreme black just to build up a little bit of a really nice crease. Oh, just so sultry, smoky, everything, all the above. Today, I'm still gonna go through with my Dior Forever to really get, so is it shaking as well? To really get that full coverage ish. So let me go and do my face, and I'll see you guys in a moment. So this is where we are at so far. I went ahead and put on the Sienna Moonlight as Sienna Moonlight. Is that what it is? Sienna Moonlight as highlighter. I'm gonna go in with Desert Glow as bronzer because I know how. I just want to see if this will show up. Okay, she's cute. Just add a little bit of bronze. This is just a little too, just a smidge too orange for my liking, but it's nice. And it has such a beautiful, mature, glistening glow to it. Glistening glow, I mean, is that even? It has a mature glow to it. There we go. Putting it on the temples as well. So for brows, I went ahead and did my Benefits Gimme Brow in 4.5. Perfect. And now, it's actually really, it's beautiful. It's cute. She's cute. I'm thinking, I'm gonna go on Fleur on the blush brush. Pat McGrath. These, oh, I love her brushes. I think I'm definitely cooling it on buying makeup for a while, but I do want the brushes from Pat McGrath. I'm not gonna lie. They're just so soft and so silky smooth. All right, so this is going on. Very, very hydrating, which I like. Boom. You know, going for the drama. Fleur, and just gracefully just. Oh. The thing I love about Pat McGrath's products is that it gives me the feel of being a model. Even models don't have model skin, but this gives me the feeling I have model skin. Oh, hello. Hi, hair. Okay, yeah, let's just go and take off the foundation. Why not? Let's do the Love Glow Cream Base Diamond Powder Impact Powder Super Glow. You know what? Since we got a little bit of this, I'm gonna go in with the powder blush right there from Natasha Denona and just whisper it on. Just whisper it on. Oof, there we go. Now we're talking. Just a whisper. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and finish up the rest of my face and we will see the final look in one moment. Alright, so this is where we are at. This is the final look. I went ahead and just put the Pale Fire Nectar lip gloss on the lips. Keeping it very simple, more focus on the eyes. But this is the Sienna Moonlight. Now the last one I have is going to be the Skin Show Pink Dawn, which is Pink Dawn, and it's pink. So that's gonna be the last one, and that's a wrap on this Passion Fleur quad focus and one and done. But this is just such a beautiful, and then as a blush, I mean as a highlighter, it is gorgeous. Yeah. Desert Glow. I did not need her bronzers because I have plenty of bronzers, but it was the end of the summer sale. How could I resist? 22 euros a pop, basically, and I took it as a sign. So, but without further ado, we have one more tutorial with this, and then I will go into a series of one and done focus with a few of the other quads I have of Pat McGrath. I think I might do Nirvana. Celestial, what was it called? The Nirvana quad with that purple and then that turquoise and that green and that gold. Oh, like I think I touched it once or twice since I've had it, and I think it's time to really dip into it and dive into it. So without further ado, I hope you guys like this video. As usual, if you guys go to my Instagram page, you will see the final edit of this. I'm gonna take pictures, gotta take a shower, and I got some laundry to do. So keep it safe, stay cool. Bye guys.